Horses are acting crazy. Especially the blue one there. Got about 5 inches of snow on the ground. Whoa. I guess that'll test the dark. Just checking out this new camera, flipping on some lights out in the shed. Okay, I think I'm recording now. I have no idea how to use this camera. We're in the shed right now. This is a 24 by 36 shed that we've owned for about 1.5 years now. We bought it in November of 16. So we had it all last year and a little bit this year and a little bit in 16. When we got this, it had a gravel floor, and the first thing before it got a little too cold that year, we put in the concrete, sealed the cracks, got a drains under the machine there. The cat's following me around. Got a drain put in and put in a pipe over here. See, I don't know if this fucking thing is shutting off now. Is that shutting off, kitty? Mazie, is it shutting off? Come on, kitty. Okay, am I recording again? I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with this thing. Let's take a walk up these skinny ass stairs. Alright. This is the mezzanine. It appears to be recording the mezzanine. And our cat, Mazie. Hi, kitty. I'm going to try to keep this thing going. I don't know if I'm pushing buttons or what the hell I'm doing. I got to get a stick for this. The cat wants to be wherever I am. Thank you, kitty. Alright, the light is still blinking. So, I'm guessing it's still on. Yeah, you can't really do much of anything without this cat hamming in. Kitty. Alright. Can't really get through this way. I'm still working up here. Come back around the corner. Oh, the cat's after me again. There she is. There's snow hitting the tin. We got a spring snowstorm going on. So far so good. The light's still blinking. I think I'm recording. Oh, there's a cat again. What a ham. See, I'm not going to be able to film with you around Mazie. I'm really not. You're totally a ham. I'm going this way, kitty. Okay, back down the stairs. Alright, I want to do a good video of this, and this isn't it. Looks like I was pushing buttons before. I got big ass claws. where my hands should be. That's my compressor, which is still attached to its pallet. Oh, there's a cat. The compressor is getting set up right here. I got electronics that are going to come through the wall right there. The air lines will punch through up there and head over to the front. Yes, cat. And this is some unfinished electric. No, it is not hot. Capped off anyways, though. I have this room insulated as a place to house guests in a pinch. We don't have any extra rooms in the house. It's getting there. Not done yet. The cord underneath the plastic there is for a mini split. This will have some AC in here, because usually we only get people, well, we get people here summer and winter. We had hunters in here last November, as well as out here, but it wasn't quite this finished at the time. Got the lights for that too. Everything's a little bit temporary here. Got to find a place for all my machinery, which is going to be stuffed into that room right there. Call it room 13. And get it out of here. And I got a bench that'll go up against this wall, and that'll be covered with slat wall. Got a scale. That's for weighing the chemicals here for the vineyard. Fertilizers. This is my TO20 Ferguson tractor. Somebody put this deluxe seat on it, and I can't drive it very well with the space here. You know, hit a bump and it smacks your Johnson. It's a 6-volt system, so I'm going to change that over to 12 volt and put the original kind of lights on it instead of these aftermarket generic lights. This here is a Farm King tractor from, I think it's 1981. This we got from a neighbor. It was in pretty sad shape. This cowling up front here had a gigantic mouse nest filling the whole thing. Oh, what else? The starter didn't work. Needed a new starter, a new battery. Just a bunch of stuff. New tires. Tires were shot. It sat in a field. It was in a shed in the middle of a field, and the wind took away the shed, so everything that was in the shed was in the field. And it sat that way for like 3 years before it was given to me. I'll add to this video and try to make it better quality. I'm just testing the camera right now. We'll see how it does. Pointing out a window. That area right there, I'm not sure if you can see the ravine or not, but I'm sure you can see all the stumps. That's the area I've been clearing for the horses. And it is snowing right now. Just a nasty day. It's pretty cold in here too. Alright, GoPro turn off. GoPro turn off. See, I don't know how to get that to work either. Let's push some buttons.